All right, so if you look at my screen, I want to log into this Google AdSense account. This is an account that I've integrated with a blog that I created, and we are going to be looking at the traffic that we've been getting in that blog. All right, so let's go to Google AdSense. Google AdSense, as we said, Google AdSense is a program that enables creators to earn income. All right, as you're publishing content, you're allowing advertisers to publish ads, to put up ads on your website or your blog, to say, and over time, when people click on these ads, all right, or make impressions on this ad, you start generating income, all right, in forms of earnings in this AdSense account. And I created this Google AdSense account, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this to earn, commission on your blog. Right, so it's a very simple process, and some persons find it difficult to do. A lot of persons find it difficult to get their Google AdSense approval. So this course, I'll be teaching you how to get Google AdSense approval on your blog. And I already have part of these lessons. We have covered how to create a blog, and I'll advise that you go through each of these lessons and to understand what we are actually doing. Right, so this is the monetization part of this blog. And as I've said, this is the blog that I've created, and this is the Google AdSense account. And as you can see, this is the earnings that we have. So today, so far, we've made about $35. That's 35.32. I'm currently in Nigeria, and it's about 12:49 p.m. right in Nigeria. So today we've made this. Yesterday made about $48.19, and for the last 7 days about $523. And then this month, this is it. And then for the last 28 days, $1.4 thousand. Okay, $1,000.48. Okay, and this is going to be one of your best courses that you've taken so far. And the reason being that through my years of experience as a blogger and then also as a web developer, I'll be putting up the skills that I've acquired, and then all the long processes, I'm going to make it short to make you understand how to do these things all by yourself. So you don't need to pay people to do this for you. Some persons find it difficult after they have applied to Google AdSense. They get lots of rejections, and so I've never been rejected before. Okay, let me say, when I started initially, when I didn't know what to do. So what I do is that I go to apply to, United States. I go to United States. Apply as a United States resident, so I will choose United States as my country, and then so I can easily get my Google AdSense account approved. But over time, I got to realize that there are some certain things I needed to do to get my AdSense account approved, even as a Nigerian. So we have different benefits of creating or having a Nigerian Google AdSense account. All right, one of them is that you are going to be paid directly into your local bank account. If you are using GT Bank, your money will be sent to your domiciliary GT Bank. All right. Initially, I think Google AdSense, they've updated their different policies, right, and their different way of payment. Initially, you can just put in your Nigerian bank account, and then the Naira equivalent will be sent to you. But of recent, you have to create a domiciliary account, and then the dollars will be sent to your account. So I've received payment severally. So, and I'm not just going to teach you what I do not know. It's something that I know through experience. So I really wish and I hope that you sit tight to listen to what I'm going to be showing you in this course. So these are live earnings, and if I happen to refresh this blog, this Google AdSense account, you can see everything is still intact. All right, and all right, let's get to see for the previous 2 days so far. From Nigeria, I've gotten $18. United States clicks, we have $6.58. So we have what is called clicks, right? But let me show you a typical example of a site. Sorry, I may not be showing you my website, okay, for some reasons, okay. But I'll be showing you how ads do display on different blogs, right? So let's check this blog here. Let's check this blog, Nigerian scholars. All right, Nigerian scholars. So this is a blog I know the owner of this blog very well, and we've been working together before. Like when he he was still, growing the blog. But now his blog is earning him like thousands of dollars every single month. That is what he's basically earning on his blog. Now he's into the education niche. We have the latest news, past questions. So he's into education niche, and see how this is how the AdSense, the ads is going to display on your site. So these things are the ads. So when people click on this, all right, like this Forex ad now. Okay, let me open a single blog post so we see how the ads is going to display here. So we have another ad here. We have this ad here. We have this ad here at the header. Let me see if we have another one down here at the footer here, right? And then we also have this other ad here that shows is in kind of a display mode, as if it's I think something like other blog post. All right, so we have different forms, different ways whereby your ads are going to be displaying on your blog, and I'll be showing you how to create ads from your Google AdSense account. I'll be showing you how to do that on your Google AdSense account, the different ads placements. So I just wanted to show you how ads do display on the blog, because in your Google AdSense account, this is where you're going to manage everything, to create your ads, to remove some of the ads that you don't want to display on your blog. All right, because we have some certain niches. Let's say you are into education niche, you likely want Google to display let's say maybe education niche ads on your platforms. Or we have some ads that pays very well, like higher, for example, maybe fintech ads. Right, for example, let's check. This is education blog, but you can see that we have Forex ads displaying on this. And why the guy allowed this is that this Forex ad pays higher when people click on it compared to some other form of ads, like ads categories. We call it ad categories. We are going to be looking at that. So this is just an overview from like me telling you, okay, this is really possible that you can actually make this amount of money on the internet. All right, so I've seen guys make about $500 every single day from their blog. So it's something that is achievable, and I really want you to have it at the back of your mind that there is nothing that is not achievable. All right, if someone could start from scratch to grow a blog to earning like $1,000 in a month, that means you can as well do that. So we have about page views here. Like let's say today so far we have about 5,000 page views, and we have about 146 clicks, and then we have cost per click here about $0.24, and okay, we can see what is called the click-through rate here, CTR. We are going to be looking at this. So this is just an introduction video, and it's going to be a wonderful course. And I really hope that you enjoyed the course. So thank you so much, and we have a whole lot of things to cover, but I'll be stopping the lectures here, and I see you next time.